Okay, well, as you can see, my TR-MT8E is, well, taken apart. I'm trying to fix this. I took it out, was jumping it, all of a sudden I lost one of my wheels, wasn't working, and as you can see, I shattered that curve. Just busted right off. I have no idea where the other part of it is, but so anyways, I got this tore down and it's kicking my butt, so I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna have to take this all the way apart to get this out. I'm hoping that I don't, but there's only one way to find out.
I hate to open this up, because honestly I don't think I have any grease to put back in if I do lose some. But, see what happens.
So this is what the inside looks like. So I don't know if you can see, but there is a pin in there that has to come out. So see if I can get it. Okay. So now it should just fall right out. So there's the broken one. Let's get the new one. So we'll just go ahead and slide that in there. Get the pin down in there. Maybe. Whoops. Okay, go ahead, kick my butt, see if I care. All right, I got it. Kicked my butt, but I got it. So there's a little groove on this that needs to be facing upwards for the other part to slide in. I think, yep, it has a groove on it that's pointing the other direction. So you got to make sure this one pointing down so that they can lock together. And we are locked together. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but they lock together. And then we'll throw it back together. See, I'm pretty sure those little things are supposed to go right there on the inside. Maybe. But they're not, so I could be wrong. Never been wrong before. Okay. Nobody sneeze. Nobody sneeze, nobody fart, nobody wiggle their eyelids anyway. Just hold still for 5 seconds. I think we got it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put it together a little bit more. Man, this thing's kicking my trash. Okay, so I took it back out, put it back in, and now this is how I'm putting it back together. And this is the way I should have done it in the first place. Is got my red thing on the front, the screws through there, and then I've got this the red part on the back, and then well, I'll show you. Now all I gotta do is line up the holes. Sweet. So she is back together and looking good. So I'll get her out and get her bashing in no time and get some videos posted. Rock on.